As a driver, you should do what's called a circle check around your car each and every day. This is something I do every single day simply because you never know what's going on overnight. Someone could have scratched your car, you could have a flat tire. It's better for you to know that you have a flat tire in your driveway rather than driving down the road then find out that you have one. So always do a circle check. You should also check under your vehicle for any leaks. At least you know whether or not your car is in good driving order. Then you walk around, check out your tires, make sure no one scratched your car. It's better for you to know the facts while you're still in your driveway. Everything looks good. All tires look good. Now, you should also check your signals to make sure they work. Because with some cars, when the bulb burns out, you actually have no idea until someone pulls up beside you and tells you that your signal isn't working or your brake light is not working. So, let's check the signals just to make sure they're working. Left signal, so we're gonna go to the back, make sure it's working. There it is, as you can see. Go to the front, make sure that's working also. There it is. Okay. Now we put the right signal on. Then we check it out to make sure it's working also. There it is. Now we go to the front. Make sure that's working. There it is. Now we can check the four-way hazards. We can shut the turn signal off, and then we can apply the four-way hazards. And there you can see it. They're all working. Now there's one last check that you can do before you get driving, but this check you can do maybe once every week. But since we're doing the circle check today, we may as well check our tire pressure. Now you have to have one of these. It's called a tire pressure gauge. So we unscrew the knob here, and then you place this over the valve, then you press, and then you get a reading. It says 36 psi. That's pounds per square inch, so we're good. Now most likely all four tires have the same pressure. So that's it. That's how simple it is, but it's something you should do. It's maintenance that's absolutely necessary.